Every now and then, we see the news that some celebrities or sportsmen converted to Islam. Some of this news has not been confirmed yet, but there are famous people who announced about their faith to the whole world. Wilhelm Ott is a professional MMA fighter from Austria. He has been professionally boxing since 2008 and is nicknamed The Amazing. 2 days ago, on April 16th, he announced that he has converted to Islam. He mentioned in his social media accounts,
أشهد
ألا
ألا
إله
إله
إلا
إلا
الله
الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
رسول
رسول
الله.
Allah. Das war mein Glaubensbekenntnis. Ich bin jetzt stolzer Muslim. Allahu Akbar.
"The corona crisis gave me the necessary freedom to find my faith again. Islam has been on my mind for many years, but there were also times when I could do nothing with it, and I let myself be influenced politically. But Islam gave me the necessary strength when I had to go through hard times. Life goes up and down. As a popular saying goes, if you had learned to walk in my shoes, you would only cry." The next day, he took to the social media again, this time with a picture of him along with the Holy Quran, which his fellow MMA boxer Burak Gizlermak gifted. He mentioned, "Today I got a prayer rug and the Holy Quran from my brother Burak. We performed a Friday prayer together with the brothers. I can't find any word about the positive responses I received, and I thank the entire Islamic community for this extremely warm welcome." He also said in his post, showing his gratitude towards his fans, "It wasn't my intention to make my conversion that big. I actually posted it because the people around me and friends knew about it. You're incredible. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone. You give me the strength and strengthen my belief in Allah." And the following day, he posted a beautiful message that he's getting ready for Ramadan. Subhanallah, just 3 days from accepting Islam, he's so focused on experiencing the true spirit of Islam. He posted, "My first Ramadan is just around the corner, and I'm looking forward to it. As a professional athlete, you need a strong will. Now I have even stronger faith, and I will become inshallah even stronger in mine. My social media accounts are collapsing completely. Almost 500,000 messages have reached me on Facebook and Instagram in the last few days, and it looks like it's not going to end there. It's not possible to answer all of them. Thank you for your kind messages. You make me overwhelmed. MashaAllah." We welcome our brother to the religion of peace and humanity, and his choice of being a Muslim also has made many people think about their hatred towards Islam. This shows that despite of all the money and fame he had with his career, he did not care to find a better way for him. The money, fame, and the riches does not play any role in anyone's life if the conscience of the person is alive. Wilhelm Ott is yet another living example of those who found peace of their life in this short life. May Allah help him and keep him on the right path and make Islam easy for him to follow.